Makadini. In this lesson, toda kuintroduce matrices. This is a very important topic. Zvekuti it's almost obvious. Pamuchanyora zimsek inenge irimo. So you have to be attentive. Before we go into the lesson, just a quick reminder. Kune vasati vasubscriber, may you please consider doing so. Kuitira kuti YouTube irecommend mavideo aya kuna amwewo ma-students. Vamwe vawane kubatsirika. So in our course reader, we are using NGM 3, tiripa chapter 7, topic matrices 1 or matrices 1. So when we look at matrices, we are looking at an application of mathematics in our everyday life. It is quite common to store information in lists and tables. Kune vakambopinda maOK kana muSpar kana muPick n Pay muTM uda kutenga grocery but you are on a budget. Kureva kuti maybe you have $50 uda kutenga grocery rebachura rofanirwa kukwana $50. So the wisest thing to do is to avoid impulse buying. Kupinda maOK utorine a list. Maona vanenge vakanyora kuti hupfu 5 kg, maybe you already know the price, $5, chakat, so that you have a restraining budget and you get things which you need more than things which you might want. Unogona uchifarira bacon but haisi kukwana pa $50 here. So in everyday life, information is stored in lists and tables. Ma list nema table. We have an example of a table we want to look at. We have two families, the Moyo family and the Piri family. So this is a redo of the table. You can find it in our course reader. Table yedu yakamira so. We have bread and which is in loaves. Then we have sugar in kgs. Kalistak. Then we have milk. We are counting it in bottles. So this is what we have panapa. But we are comparing two families. We have the Moyo family and we have the Piri family. The Moyo family and the Piri family. Like this. Saka Moyo family inotenga 16 loaves of bread, yotenga 4 kgs of sugar, yobva yatenga 22 bottles of milk. The Piri family, 15 loaves of bread, 5.5 kgs of sugar, and 20 bottles of milk. That is the table we have. This table shows the amount of bread, sugar, and milk used by the Moyo and Piri families in 1 week. Saka, we have a table, we also have a list. We can have a redo and tinogona kuva a redo of this information, but toda kuinyora in what is called the matrix form. Saka, before we go anywhere, let me just emphasize something. Kuti matrix, it's singular. Zvinongoreva one matrix. But tikati matrices, this is now the plural form. Kuitira kuti musaconfuse these and saka kana takuda kuinyora in matrix form, tinenge takuisa mabrackets so. Then tava tanyora information iyi sezvairi 16, 4, 22. Then panapa 15, 5.5 and 20. The reason yatinonyorera information iyi sezvairi inhau yemawedzi 2 achange achishanda, the word row and the word column. Saka we should have a strict adherence to what a row is, what a column is. It's very important. And I really wish that I'm going to explain it zvakanaka zvekuti you won't be confused, but I'm sure you won't be confused. So looking at that matrix form of representing information iri mutable pamusoro, tairepresenta in matrix form. A matrix and is simply a set of numbers or elements arranged in a rectangular pattern. So this is the rectangular pattern. It's a set. That's why we have these brackets. Saka zviri mukati umu, they are numbers. We can also call them elements. They are arranged in a rectangular pattern. In the matrix above, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So kana tichiti row, tinenge tichida iso. This is the row. Then kana takuverenga chidzika kudai so, it's the column. Row and column. In the matrix above, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Saka 3 rows tiri kudziverenga sei? Tiri kuti this is row number 1, row number 2, and row number 3. For 2 columns tiri kudziverenga sei? Tiri kuti column 1, column 2. So in the matrix above, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. We say that the order of the matrix is 3 by 2. Saka pane chinhu chakakosha zvakare chatofanirwa kuita. Chatofanirwa kuita panapa inonzi order of matrix. So the order of the matrix. Order of matrix inonyorwa so, it's row by column. Saka since we have 3 rows, inozova 3 by 2. That is the order of the matrix. Saka order ish ine zvakawanda zvairi kutiudza. Row by column. You are going to see it in application very soon. The order of the matrix gives its size in terms of rows and columns. The number of rows is always written first. Always, always, always written first. The following are other examples of matrices. So let me put them down. Then truly we have to determine their orders. Saka matrix yedu yekutanga yakadai so, it's 1, 3, 12, minus 1, 1, 2 like this. So this is A. Then for B, 4, 7. Then for C, it's 5, 7, 6 like this. And then lastly for D, it's 2, 5, 4, 0 like that. Saka we have to determine the order and A, row by column. How many rows do we have panapa? Tikaverenga marows edu, it's 1, 2. Saka it's 2 by comma columns 1, 2, 3. 2 by 3. Mazvona. Satokuna kunyora takati 2 by 3 kana kuti 2 times 3. Tati it's 2 by 3. Why tati 2 by 3? How many rows? 1, 2. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. Handiti? Then pa B, tiri kuda kuverenga row by column. How many rows? 1, 2 by togonoisa times. How many columns? Just 1. So it's a 2 by 1 column matrix. Okay? Then let us go to C. C yakamira sei? How many rows per C? It's just 1 row. By how many columns? 1, 2, 3. Like that. Then let us go to D. Pa D apo pakamira sei? how many rows? 1, 2. By how many columns? 1, 2. Like this. So it's a 2 by 3, 2 by 1, 1 by 3, and a 2 by 2. So we should know something kuti dzimwe nguva mamatrix aya anenge ane ma-special terms. Like paB panapa, it's called a column matrix. It's a column matrix. Then nemakayanzi it's a column matrix because mukatarisisa we have one column. That's why it's column matrix. Emphasis is on the column because we only have one. And then tikatarisa paC inenge ichinzi it's a row matrix because we have one row. So it's a row matrix. Then paD apo manje, it's called a square matrix. As you can see, there is some semblance of a square. So it's a square matrix like this. So that is what we have. Saka, we have introduced matrices. Emphasis of this lesson was on identifying kuti row yakamira sei, column yakamira sei. So I hope it has been clarified here. Zvatakuda kuita, I want to give you an exercise by which I'm going to judge kuti madzidzisiro andaita kuti column chi row chi mamabata here, mamanzwisisa here. So you have to do this exercise, then we can go to our next lesson. Thank you. Stay tuned for the exercise. So this is going to be your exercise, and as you can see kuti yakati kurei nekuti tikasabata apa pema rows and columns tauraya topic yese mamatrices. So ndoda kuti muite number 2 yese, number 3 yese, number 4 AC, number 5 BCDE, and number 8 yese. This exercise, exercise 7A, in General Mathematics 3, chapter 7, page 59. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.